तुम्हारी आवाज़ बहुत अच्छी है। योर वॉइस इज़ वेरी नाइस। योर वॉइस इज़ वेरी नाइस। उसे मेरे पास आने में हिचकिचाहट हो रही थी। ही वॉज हेजिटेंट टू कम टू मी। ही वॉज हेजिटेंट टू कम टू मी। ये निर्णय तुम्हें खुद लेना होगा। यू हैव टू टेक दिस डिसीजन योर सेल्फ। यू हैव टू टेक दिस डिसीजन योर सेल्फ। मैं आज बहुत खुश हूँ। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टुडे। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टुडे। अब मैं पीछे नहीं हट सकता। नाउ आई कांट स्टेप बैक। नाउ आई कांट स्टेप बैक। मैं जितना सोच रहा था यह उससे ज़्यादा आसान है। इट इज़ ईजियर देन आई थॉट। इट इज़ ईजियर देन आई थॉट। उसने मुझसे झूठ बोला था। ही हैड लाइड टू मी। ही हैड लाइड टू मी। ये सुनकर मुझे दुख हुआ। आई फेल्ट सैड हियरिंग दिस। आई फेल्ट सैड हियरिंग दिस। मैंने उसे बहुत बार मना किया था। आई हैड वॉन्ट हिम मैनी टाइम्स। आई हैड वॉन्ट हिम मैनी टाइम्स। अगर तुम्हें मदद चाहिए तो मुझे बताओ। इफ़ यू नीड हेल्प लेट मी नो। इफ़ यू नीड हेल्प लेट मी नो। तुमने जो किया वह गलत था। What you did was wrong. What you did was wrong. मुझे नहीं पता था कि उसे क्या गिफ्ट देना चाहिए। I don't know what gift to give him. I don't know what gift to give him. मैंने तुम्हारे लिए एक किताब खरीदी है। I have bought a book for you. I have bought a book for you. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो शायद यही करता। If I were in your place, I would have done the same. If I were in your place, I would have done the same. मैं पहले की तरह अब किसी पर भरोसा नहीं कर सकता। I can't trust anyone like before now. I can't trust anyone like before now. मुझे नहीं पता था कि यह तुम्हारे लिए इतना महत्वपूर्ण है। I didn't know this was so important to you. I didn't know this was so important to you. कभी कभी सही फैसला लेना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। Sometimes making the right decision is very difficult. Sometimes making the right decision is very difficult. जब कुछ समझ ना आए तो खुद को समय दो। When you don't understand anything, give yourself some time. When you don't understand anything, give yourself some time. उसने मुझे कभी धोखा नहीं दिया। He has never betrayed me. He has never betrayed me. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? हमें इस मौके को गंवाना नहीं चाहिए। We should not miss this opportunity. We should not miss this opportunity. मैं तुम्हारी राय से सहमत हूँ। I agree with your opinion. I agree with your opinion. यह एक नई शुरुआत है। This is a new beginning. This is a new beginning. मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा कि तुमने यह किया। I can't believe that you did this. I can't believe that you did this. वह बहुत तेज सीखता है। He learns very fast. He learns very fast. मुझे नहीं पता था कि आगे क्या होगा. I don't know what will happen next. I don't know what will happen next. मुझे अपनी गलती सुधारने का मौका दो. Give me a chance to correct my mistake. Give me a chance to correct my mistake. तुम हमेशा अपनी जिद पर क्यों अड़े रहते हो? Why do you always stick to your stubbornness? Why do you always stick to your stubbornness? मुझे लगता है कि अब हमें अलग रास्ता चुनना चाहिए. I think we should choose a different path now. I think we should choose a different path now. ये मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. This is very difficult for me. This is very difficult for me. मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ. I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. हमें जल्द से जल्द वहाँ पहुँचना होगा. We have to reach there as soon as possible. We have to reach there as soon as possible. ये मेरे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. This is very important for me. This is very important for me. मुझे अपने दोस्तों के साथ समय बिताना पसंद है. I like spending time with my friends. I like spending time with my friends. क्या तुमने यह किताब पढ़ी है? Have you read this book? Have you read this book? मैं तुम्हें खुश देखना चाहता हूँ. I want to see you happy. I want to see you happy. उसने मुझे बहुत प्रेरित किया. He inspired me a lot. He inspired me a lot. तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए? What do you think we should do? What do you think we should do? वह हमेशा दूसरों की मदद के लिए तैयार रहता है. He is always ready to help others. He is always ready to help others. मैंने तुम्हें पहले ही सचेत किया था. I had already warned you. I had already warned you. क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? तुमने मुझसे यह पहले क्यों नहीं कहा? Why didn't you tell me this earlier? Why did not you tell me this earlier? हमें इसी गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए. We should take this seriously. We should take this seriously. मैं नहीं चाहता कि तुम परेशान हो. I don't want you to be upset. I don't want you to be upset. मैंने अपनी पूरी कोशिश की. I did my best. I did my best. उसने मुझसे झूठ बोला था. He had lied to me. He had lied to me. ये सबसे अच्छा गिफ्ट था जो मैंने अब तक पाया है. This was the best gift I have ever received. This was the best gift I have ever received. इस बैग का दाम बहुत ज़्यादा है. The price of this bag is too high. The price of this bag is too high. ये बहुत किफ़ायती सौदा है. This is a very affordable deal. This is a very affordable deal. तुम्हें किसी पर आंख मूंद कर भरोसा नहीं करना चाहिए. You should not trust anyone blindly. You should not trust anyone blindly. मुझे अब तुम्हारी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. I don't need you anymore. I don't need you anymore. वह मेरे बिना नहीं रह सकता. He can't live without me. He can't live without me. मैं 9 बजे तक आ जाऊंगा. I will be there by 9. I will be there by 9. उसके पास भागने के अलावा और कोई रास्ता नहीं था. He had no other option but to run away. He had no other option but to run away. तुम इतनी जल्दी क्यों आ गए? Why did you come so early? Why did you come so early? मुझे वहां पहुंचने में थोड़ा समय लगेगा. It will take me some time to reach there. It will take me some time to reach there. क्या तुमने सच में ऐसा किया? Did you really do that? Did you really do that? उसने मुझसे झूठ बोला. He lied to me. He lied to me. मुझे पता था कि ऐसा ही होगा. I knew this would happen. I knew this would happen. वह अभी तक नहीं आया. He hasn't come yet. He has not come yet. क्या तुम सच में मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you really angry with me? Are you really angry with me? मुझे जाने की इजाज़त दो. Let me go. Let me go. मैं तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रहा था. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. ये मेरी गलती थी. मुझे माफ़ कर दो. It was my mistake. Forgive me. It was my mistake. Forgive me. तुम हमेशा देर से आते हो. You always come late. You always come late. मैंने पहले कभी ऐसा नहीं किया. I have never done this before. I have never done this before. मैं घर पहुंचते ही तुम्हें कॉल करूंगा. I will call you as soon as I reach home. I will call you as soon as I reach home. मुझे अब जाने दो. Let me go now. Let me go now. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. This is very important. This is very important. तुमने पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me earlier? Why did not you tell me earlier? मुझे इस बारे में कुछ नहीं पता. I don't know anything about this. I don't know anything about this. मुझे नहीं लगता कि वह आएगा. I don't think he will come. I don't think he will come. अगर मैं गलत हूं तो मुझे सुधार दो. If I am wrong, then correct me. If I am wrong, then correct me. ये मेरा आखिरी फैसला है. This is my final decision. This is my final decision. मुझे लगा कि तुम मेरे दोस्त हो. I thought you were my friend. I thought you were my friend. अब कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुम क्या सोचते हो. Now it doesn't matter what you think. Now it doesn't matter what you think. मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं आ रहा. I can't remember anything. I can't remember anything. वह आजकल बहुत बदल गया है. He has changed a lot these days. He has changed a lot these days. मैंने अपनी आंखों से उसे वहां देखा था. I saw him there with my own eyes. I saw him there with my own eyes. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई मुझसे इस तरह बात करने की? How dare you talk to me like this? How dare you talk to me like this? मेरे पास इतने पैसे नहीं हैं कि इसे खरीद सकूं. I don't have enough money to buy it. I don't have enough money to buy it. मैं अपने पैसे बचा रहा हूं ताकि एक अच्छा फोन खरीद सकूं. I am saving my money to buy a good phone. I am saving my money to buy a good phone. क्या तुम मेरा सामान पकड़ सकते हो? Can you hold my stuff? Can you hold my stuff? मैं अगले हफ्ते शॉपिंग पर जाऊंगा. I will go shopping next week. I will go shopping next week. So friends, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो. If you like this video and learn something new from this video or this channel, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel English Succeed Pro. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you everyone.